Hi guys. Okay, this is a client which I started the locks, and as you can tell, the middle of the shaft of the lock is kind of loose, okay, but this part is locked up and the top is locked up too. What happened is, if the hair is not done for many months, this can happen. Well, it's certain hair texture. Right here, it will show you the hair did not break during the crochet needle. It just like compact together to create an actual dreadlocks. But during the months that if it's not being done on a regular basis, the hair will come out like this. So it's okay. So what I'm going to do today is just like repair it, crochet it back. This is the hair that was like, empty, remember? And then we just like crochet it, fix it. But if you don't know how to repair that part, I will strongly suggest do not use crochet on the client's hair because you can create more damage. The only thing is we show you the after, and we didn't go in detail how we repair this spot right here and not to create no damage.